Mm. Now this is the most dangerous of all. It's more dangerous than the kites. Though obviously the eagles are the most dangerous, but this one, it looks very small. Now her wings are so big. I don't know how she does it.
This is the book.
Look at how curious it looks. Jungle Love. Looks very curious. I think it saw something, but there are no chickens here. Maybe it's just chilling. Oh, it sees a bird nest. Quite intriguing. It's a beautiful one. I think this is a female. Actually, I don't think this is even that. The other one has slightly bigger eyes. I wish it could turn around. Misread your wings just a little bit. Yeah, this one is chilling. Whoa. Yeah.